All right, here's the sander. It's a DWE 6401 DeWalt disc sander. And here's what happened. And you know, I like DeWalt tools, although they have gotten pretty cheap over the years, but still, you know, I like DeWalt, I like Milwaukee, I like Makita. Anyway, I'm a little disappointed in this. I have not used this that much, and that pad just disintegrated. And here's what the new pad looks like. I mean, it, you know. Anyway, this is how simple it is to replace it. Under here, that shaft has two flats on it, and those two flats are 13 millimeter. So this is how quick and easy this replacement is. I'm going to put you in the, not tripod, but what you call it here. All right. So what you do is you slide a wrench up under here, and you turn this until those flats pop in there, and then undo that. Screw the new one on. Presto changeo, brand new one. I will leave a link to the replacement part in the description. And I can't remember how much it was. It was worth replacing. I mean, it was worth buying. So there you go. 13 millimeter, simple, easy, fast.